And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use Paysafecard on PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So here are the steps that you need to do. So first, just add your funds to your Paysafe card by going to your settings and then PlayStation Network, and then click onto the account information and go to the wallet and select add funds. So you'll generate a 16-digit PIN code. So to buy from PlayStation Store, go to add funds when you've made your selection and simply select Pay Card, choose the relevant amount and simply press to continue. So after you've done that, just enter your 16-digit PIN from your Pay card and now you're good to go. And that's it for this video. That's how you can use your PaySafe card on PS5 or PS4 devices. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.